Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to change the safety selector on a Windham AR15. First thing you need to do is remove the pistol grip. For that you need a 3/16 Allen key. Be a small bolt in there, just take that out. And when you remove it, you gotta be careful. There's gonna be a spring in the pistol grip that goes into the lower receiver to the safety selector. When you remove the spring, there's gonna be another tiny part in there. So you just flip the gun over, flip the safety selector, and it'll fall out. And the safety selector will come out. And if you do lose any small parts, I just bought me a little kit the other day off of Midway, USA. Has about, I don't know, about 20 parts. Very small parts. That's the most common lost parts that people lose. Paid like $8 for it, I think. It wasn't much at all. So now you get your new safety selector. You slide it in either side. Then you get your other piece. This safety selector, you can switch it on either side now. Once you get in there and you get it finger tight, all you gotta do is just barely put a little snug on it. There we go. When you do that, you get this very small piece, and the pointy end, it goes down in the hole on the safety selector. The flat part will be facing you. You get your spring. I think it's easier if you start with the spring in your pistol grip. Slide it over and put in that little hole. You may have to flip the safety selector over for it to fall down in there. You can get your small bolt that goes back in your pistol grip. You get it snug down. You may have to go back and put a little snug on it. There we go. And that's how you change the safety selector out on this Windham. Every AR15 will be the same as long as it has a pistol grip on it. And thank you for watching. Please like and share my videos and subscribe.